Welcome back. Let's see other methods in dictionary. Like you might have seen earlier, we have called in, right? Something like this. If I just wanted to check I in hi, so it just gives me whether it is true or false, or I can also use a list. L is equal to maybe 1, 2, 50, ty, anything. So I just wanted to use maybe I can say 50 in L. So it just gives me whether it is a true or false. Now, similarly, in dictionaries, we have something like this. Let me just say print basket. In user. So let us just see what it will come. So it appears as true. Let me just use another key called size. It will give me a false. Right. To just know what are the methods we have in dictionary, I can just simply type here dir and dict. So I just get a list of methods that we are going to use. So we have already seen this get method, right? Now we will see some of them which are presented here. We'll just go one by one. All right. Let me just cancel this so that ID will be visible for you all. Now, can I do something like this here? Let me use the print function and say hello in user dot keys. So let me just put, because this is a method, so I need to use close parenthesis. So what do you think you'll get here? I expect an error. Oh, sorry. I expect something called false here because these keys are, you see here, we have keys and values. This hello is actually a value. So I need, it is just saying that, Python doesn't know, Python just know what is key and what is value. So when we set key here, it just goes into this dictionary and goes step by step, like basket, it doesn't appear, greet, it doesn't have, age, it doesn't have. So it just gives a false here. Now, if we just put here instead of keys, let me just use a values here. So what do you think I'll get here? I think I'll just get it a true because it just go step by step here. First key, second key, first value and second value. So it just sees this hello as in the values here. So when immediately it just sees, when we executed this, it just posts true here. That's how it's going to grab such kind of values. All right, this is a one kind of method, and the next one is we have a method called clear, right? So to clear all things, I can just simply use a print function and say that user dot clear, right? So now when I execute, it just gives me there's nothing. That means it deletes all the key values from the variable called user. Right. Now, if I just wanted to use print user here, I think it will execute, it will give the empty one here because user no more has any kind of key value base here. So let me just use as user one for further to give a clear explanation. Now, if I just wanted to copy this user one dictionary, and let me just say simply um, user 2 is equal to user 1, right? And I just wanted to use copy method here so that I can copy all the um, key values from the user 1. So immediately when I print user 2 here, I get the same thing what is there in the user 1, right? Let me clear here some lines. All right. Now I get the same thing what is there in the user 1. Suppose if I wanted to delete, um, if I wanted to clear the variable called user 1, let me just say that user 1 dot clear, right? User 1, sorry, I need to put here. I think we need to be very careful while using the names of the variable. So when I just print user 1, it gives me nothing because we have already cleared that in the earlier line. Now if I wanted to print user 2, what do you think I'll get? I think I need to get the whole bunch of dictionary key value. So I did get all the key values in the user2 variable, right? So this is one thing I just wanted to tell you. And I think and the final one is I just wanted to tell you is the pop method. Let me say that print saying that user 1, and say there's a pop method called pop. Let me say that, let me just pop out something called age. What do you think I will get here? I get a key error called age. I've re-executed again here. I just got 24 here, right? Now I just wanted to use something called here. Mm, I just say that, it just used a key called age and it popped out a 24. Let me just use your print function and let's check what is there in the user one variable. Now I just got basket and greet because we already had thrown out the age from the dictionary, right? So now what we have got is just basket and greet. Also, let us just see that uh, we can use something like user one, and pop item is other method. It just certainly pops out some random one. Say that it just popped out greet hello. So now when I execute print user one, there's only one key values in the dictionary, right? So it just randomly pops out any key value from the dictionary, as we know that dictionary is unordered, a kind of key value base. So it randomly pops out something and gives us the final key value. So I think that's it in this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.